For your flight plan? Okay.
And Louis Obispo.
Click your flight plan.
I have a new squawk code for you, show.
Now let's scroll down. So it was there you go. Click, there you go. So direct. Click the, okay, go back. Click CRQ. Oh, direct. Activate.
52901 Echo research transponder squawk.
Now you can load the approach.
Okay, 461491.
Select approach.
34 Charlie Foxtrot traffic, no factor, additional traffic,
Yeah,
2 o'clock,
no, just
3 miles,
ILS.
northbound, output indicates 5,500.
On it, what? Well, ask for the ILS.
Negative visual yet, 34 Charlie Foxtrot.
Alright, load approach.
And sir, got
You don't have to activate, just load it.
Okay, I activated it.
Alright, so we're gonna do this back real quick. And we're gonna say,
Morning, Skyhawk 1.
Why not activate it though?
Tango.
alright, so we're gonna go, let's speak homely.
1740 Tango.
Load and,
Right to the mirror mile, 29904.
and
Taking on that altimeter.
there you go.
Altimeter 29904.
And then we're gonna
1740 Tango.
repeat this here. Flight plan, CRQ, procedure, select approach. I don't want to do that. So we'll do procedure. Select, enter twice. Now I can do the procedure. Let's do 4, there we go. Yeah. Alright, so I will maintain heading 090.
788 traffic 11 to 12 o'clock, 3 miles northbound, output indicates 6,500.
You get a ID or frequencies, right?
Okay, so the DME is 108.7. The localizer is 108.7.
Yeah, so
California, this is Diamond November 465.
already there?
Yeah.
Let's see,
Alright.
1,000, leaving California. 465 Delta
Yep.
Zero, SoCal departure, radar contact,
And
maintain 3,000.
listen to the, press the now 1 button.
5 Delta Zero.
Okay.
Number 788 traffic, now 12 o'clock, a mile and a half, output indicates 6,500.
Let's ideate the second one.
We're looking for 788.
The second one here would be what?
788, Roger.
Second radio.
For you, 11 o'clock, 10 to 11
Oh,
o'clock.
just the same.
Yeah, so
Northwestbound output indicates 3,600.
Alright.
yeah.
227 Lake Compass, I maintain 3,000. 3,000, not my button. 95465 upstairs, I maintain 6,000.
Alright. Alright, so level of 4,000. Let's lean.
Number 1740 Tango after Julian VOR, what is your route of flight? We filed for Robin, Romeo, Oscar,
And now,
Bravo, November,
notice it says GPS there, so we should be in VLOC mode. Alright, so if we go miss, we'll have to, they won't give us the departure, the privileged miss, because they're gonna give us going south. But
6788 traffic alert, traffic now at 11 o'clock, so less than a mile out, that indicates
according to chart,
I'm looking for 788.
you will go to Oceanside and hold, right? Which we have Oceanside here already. ID.
Oceanside at or above 2,500. Can I get an extra hold there, 7 Mike Papa? Then Mike Papa, 1 turn the fruit.
So
Mike Papa.
the
26788
heading
under and just off your right side.
for the radial out of the Oceanside for a hold,
We got him inside.
it looks like 145, right?
Yep.
So what we can do is
134.0.
list this. Oops, my bad. We're gonna put this one Oceanside.
20 Romeo.
Okay.
20 Romeo
And then
134.5.
Yeah.
March approach or SoCal approach? SoCal approach.
Are we gonna go to the station or from the station?
We're gonna go to the station.
Alright, so let's use the reciprocal then.
5 Delta Sierra, turn right heading.
We'll just put 145 at the bottom here.
Right heading 2705 Delta Sierra. 819016, heading 060.
0309116.
060.
060.
0609116.
Alright. Alright, so 145 should be at the bottom.
145.
There you go.
Alright, we gotta listen to the ATIS, which is 120.15.
Yeah.
Juliet, tell me again the whole route of flight, Palm Springs, Palmdale, and then what?
Clear below 120.
Okay, the whole route of flight is a direct Vista intersection, Palm
ILS
Springs,
landing and departing runway
Apple
24.
Valley Airport,
Hazardous weather information
Palmdale,
available from flight service.
back to LA via
Advise on this contact, you have this information. Zulu.
You got Zulu.
So most likely he's gonna give you transfer to tower here. Because they're not
51 Juliet, what was the
using 1 to 7.3, so I will put tower. That's my standby. There you go. Are you sure?
9016, flighting 180.
1809116.
Alright,
51 Juliet, what is your final destination?
let's put tower on.
Tango Oscar Alpha. Thank you.
No, it's not tower.
Oh. Where are they? Oh, 118.6.
Yeah. Doing the ILS 24 into Palomar. Our frequency is 108.7. We already ID it. And it looks like it's alive in your G5s. Alright, so final approach course is 245.
9016, you're 1.5 miles northeast of Escon. Turn right heading 210, maintain VFR, patch approach approved, no separation services are provided.
210, VFR, practice approach approved, 916.
Alright, 210, maintain the altitude until we're established. Alright. Alright, so final approach course is 245. Final approach fix is Z-through. We should be at 2,300.
How far east are you going to go?
And we're going to go down
and then head
to 527 feet. If we don't see the runway, we're going to go miss. The miss will be flights runway heading
Okay, on 128.6,
3,000, and then we'll intercept the 345 radial to Oceanside. We fly to Oceanside, and we're going to hold there, it looks like. And, alright, so 210 until we establish.
We are coming in.
Well, no it is.
Huh?
But it's not that close yet. Now it is. When it gets closer, when it's like let's say, hold this heading, and then when it's like past that second dot, otherwise you're going to fly parallel, and it'll take you forever to intercept it.
Alright, I'll keep a lookout for that traffic.
You can start your descent because you're already established.
Yeah.
So let's do 2,000 RPM. And keep that heading.
227 Mike Papa, traffic.
So where the hell are we right now?
Maneuvering out to indicate 2,000.
You're over ESCOM.
So we can go to 2600.
No, you can go, now you have the glide slope.
Continue right turn, another that turn just a half mile south.
Alright, so 2,000 RPM.
Mike Papa.
We can put 1 notch of flaps.
Traffic inside,
Here, flap speed. Alright,
1 notch flaps, fuel pump on.
picture is.
465, Delta Sierra, additional traffic for you. Actually, that traffic we don't have to for you. 227 Mike Papa, you have additional traffic a mile west of you. Southeast bound, descending at a 5,000.
Alright, so you can do that, and then you can just match the track on the desired track. And just make that green dot in the middle. That's your glide slope. Alright. So we're gonna use speed for power for speed, pitch for altitude. Alright. So we're heading to Boondock now, it looks like. And our glide slope is steady. Usually 500 feet per minute will keep it right in the.
Oh, we're above the glide slope.
Yeah, it's a little increase.
Contact and maintain VFR. You're 6,000 now. Yes, sir.
Okay, so
maintain 6,000.
we're getting to see-through.
6,000.
Looks like we're 1.1 miles from see-through now.
Numerous VFR aircraft between your position and.
There you go. So there's your glide slope.
5,500, 6,500. Okay, we'll keep rising up. Thanks.
And you're doing good.
Delta Sierra, connect approach 128.1.
But once this magenta is in the triangle,
Marie 1916, Santa Calamar Tower, 118.6.
going to tower 916. Wait until we acknowledge you. Alright.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, so you're the glide slope, make it 500 feet per minute descent, so pull up. Pitch for altitude. Palomar Tower, Cherokee 116 on the ILS 24. Let's see if we get any wind shear here. Palomar Tower, Cherokee A116 and the ILS 24. We're about 4.5 miles away. Nobody there? 1215.
Tower's closed or what?
No. 18. Palomar ground, radio check.
On clear.
Hey, this is Cherokee 1916. I'm transmitting 118.6. We don't hear you. We're in the ILS.
Okay, that one was pretty garbled. Say again?
We tried to transmit in 118.6. This is Cherokee A1916. We're in the ILS 24, and I got no responses. We're trying this radio.
916, Roger. Just stay with me. Let me coordinate something. And I mean, he's talking to several airplanes right now, so I'm sure it's on your side.
All right, 916.
November 916. The tower said that he heard when you had called, but he was reaching out to other aircraft because he was a bit busy. At the missed approach point, maintain VFR southbound.
All right, missed approach southbound 916. Thanks. He wasn't talking to anybody, unless he's on clearance or he's doing SoCal too, which is possible.
So how did you know we're not going to crash to someone else right now?
Well, he cleared.
Palomar ground, Cessna 734 Tango Echo at PCF would like taxi to 24 with information Zulu.
Alright, so
734 Tango Echo, Palomar ground, runway
540, you're gonna go
miss. Caution for the blast.
Taxi via Alpha, Tango Echo.
I was looking for traffic too here in the map. Woo! Alright, we'll do 600, it's fine. You're doing pretty good at maintaining that middle center anyways. Alright, so the glide slope is going up, just hold up a little. Right, full power please. We didn't see the runway. Alright, so now you're positive rate. Now let's turn left to the south. And 916, go ahead, miss, thanks.
November 916, contact SoCal departure on 132.2.
Good.
123.